In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop incoming video during a Zoom meeting. Whether you're dealing with low bandwidth, want to focus more on audio, or simply need to minimize distractions, controlling your Zoom video settings can be incredibly useful. We'll walk through each step clearly so you can quickly implement this feature during your meetings. First, let's start at a point where you're already in a Zoom meeting. You're comfortable, maybe you're taking notes or just listening to the speaker. However, the incoming video is proving a distraction or is affecting your internet connection. What do? Look towards the upper part of your Zoom interface. Specifically, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice several icons. Among these, look for the icon resembling a grid. This is the view layout icon, and it's crucial for accessing additional video settings. When you click on this grid icon, it doesn't only change your video layout, but it also allows you access to additional controls regarding incoming video. Now, after clicking the grid icon, you should see a menu or a set of options. Your screen will adjust according to the view you select, but more importantly, in this context, this is where you'll find the option we're focused on today. Pay close attention to the menu that appears. Among the options presented, you'll notice the option labeled Stop Incoming Video. Clicking this is the key action. When you click on Stop Incoming Video, what happens is that the video feed from other participants will cease to display on your screen. You remain in the meeting, able to hear everyone perfectly, but now with less strain on your internet connection or fewer distractions visually. This feature doesn't affect other participants. They will not know that you have stopped seeing their video, and your outgoing video will not be affected. With this tool in your arsenal, managing your Zoom call experience becomes more fluid and adaptable to your needs. It's essential to remember though, that if you wish to re-enable incoming video, simply click the same options again, and the video feed will return just as before. Having control over such simple functionalities can significantly improve the efficiency of virtual meetings, particularly in situations with limited connectivity or when you want to optimize focus. Next time you find yourself distracted by video feeds or needing to conserve bandwidth, you'll know exactly which steps to take. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently manage incoming video in a Zoom meeting